Hi, welcome back to Barehand Theory. So today I just wanted to do a quick lesson on note lengths and basic time signatures. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. So note lengths. So one of the ones we'll start with is this, which is the Semibreve, which is also known as a whole note. It's really more of an American system, and that's 4 beats. It's worth pointing out at this stage that if the main beat is the crotchet, then the Semibreve is 4 beats, but it could be other lengths as well. But for now, let's stick to that. So the main beat is the crotchet. So then this note is a minim, also known as a half note, and it's 2 beats. So you can see it's a half note because it's half of a whole note, which was 4 beats. Yeah, and then the next one, crotchet, also known as a quarter note, and again you can probably see where this is going. It's 1 beat, which is a quarter of a whole note, yeah, quarter of 4 or quarter of a Semibreve. And then this one, which is a quaver, which is also known as an 1/8 note, and that one is half a beat. And again, it's an 1/8 of a whole note, an 1/8 of 4. Yeah. Okay, so just moving on to time signatures. Yeah. So if we said, it's a good way to think of these as like fractions actually, which fits in with the American system. So you could say 4/4. It's like saying 4 quarters or 4 quarter notes in a bar, which is the same as crotchets. So 4/4 equals 4 crotchets or quarter notes in a bar. And then you could say 3/2, for example. So that's 3 beats in a bar, and they're half notes. So 3 minims, half notes in a bar. And then you could say 6/8. And that's 6 quavers, which is like 6/8 notes in a bar. Okay. Yes, if you'd like to study this in further depth, there's a PDF available for download on the website, barehandmusic.co.uk/tutorials. If you'd like a free download, you can sign up to our mailing list in the description down below. And yeah, we'll send that straight to your inbox. And yeah, it'd be great if you'd subscribe to this channel and like this video if you enjoyed what you saw, and hopefully I'll see you in a future video. Cheers for watching.